Talks with Ramana Maharshi. Talk 26. Visitor. How shall we discover the nature of the mind, that is, its ultimate cause, or the noumenon of which it is a manifestation? Maharshi. Arranging thoughts in the order of value, the I thought is the all-important thought. Personality idea or thought is also the root or the stem of all other thoughts, since each idea or thought arises only as someone's thought and is not known to exist independently of the ego. The ego, therefore, exhibits thought activity. The second and the third persons do not appear except to the first person. Therefore, they arise only after the first person appears, so all the three persons seem to rise and sink together. So, trace then the ultimate cause of I or personality. The I idea arises to an embodied ego and should be related to a body or organism. Has it a location in the body or a special relation to any particular spot, as speech, which has its center in the brain, or amativeness in the brain? Similarly, has I got any center in the brain, blood, or viscera? Thought life is seen to center round the brain and the spinal cord, which in turn are fed by the blood circulating in them, carrying food and air duly mixed up, which are transformed into nerve matter. Thus, vegetative life, including circulation, respiration, alimentation, etc., or vital force, is said to be or reside in the core or essence of the organism. Thus, the mind may be regarded as the manifestation of vital force, which again may be conceived as residing in the heart. Visitor. Now, for the art of eliminating the mind and developing intuition in its stead, are there two distinct stages with a possible neutral ground, which is neither mind nor intuition? Or does the absence of mental activity necessarily involve self-realization? Maharshi. To the Abhyasi, practitioner, there are two distinctive stages. There is a neutral ground of sleep, coma, faint, insanity, etc., in which the mental operations either do not exist or consciousness of self does not prevail. Visitor. Taking the first part first, how is the mind to be eliminated or relative consciousness transcended? Maharshi. The mind is by nature restless. Begin liberating it from its restlessness. Give it peace. Make it free from distractions. Train it to look inward. Make this a habit. This is done by ignoring the external world and removing the obstacles to peace of mind. Visitor. How is restlessness removed from the mind? Maharshi. External contacts with objects other than itself, make the mind restless. Loss of interest in non-self, vairagya, is the first step. Then the habits of introspection and concentration follow. They are characterized by control of external senses, internal faculties, etc., sama, dhamma, etc., ending in samadhi, undistracted mind.